This is a compound index file for Visual FoxPro. It helps the database search faster. It must be kept with the DBF file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's optimize the index. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering CDX files with corrupted internal metadata. The CDX extension has been registered globally as a member of the database file group. The necessary components rely on the CorelDRAW compressed and index specification. A CDX file is a compound index file associated with Microsoft Visual FoxPro. It serves as a multi-purpose index for a corresponding .dbf database file, allowing users to search and sort data rapidly. Unlike older single index files, a single CDX can store multiple sorting orders, tags, within one file, which keeps the file system cleaner and ensures data access is significantly faster during queries. The CDX file format uses a balanced tree, B-tree structure, to organize pointers to specific records within the database. It is designed to maintain synchronization with the DBF file automatically. If data is added to the database, the CDX updates its internal tree nodes instantly. This format requires the original database engine to parse the specific binary pointers correctly. Without the engine, the data looks like random binary noise. For comprehensive file management, CDX relies on CorelDRAW developed by Corel Corporation. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows cannot parse record sets, so proper reading depends on dedicated DB tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your CDX file and choosing Open With. Try CorelDRAW first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the CDX file won't budge, stay calm. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your CDX file is not opening. First, use database application. Open the file using the original database application, e.g. FoxPro, Clipper, along with the corresponding DBF data file. Next, check for DBF. Ensure the corresponding .dbf data file is present in the same directory, as the CDX file is useless without it. Finally, rebuild the index. Use the database software's Rindex or pack command to force the program to automatically rebuild a clean CDX index file. When the common routes for opening your CDX file fail, we know this requires deeper file access. The next step is to use software engineered for challenging CDX formats. End the frustration with the one-click fix. I recommend the powerful universal viewer FileMagick for your CDX files. FileMagick.com. Thanks to everyone who has already subscribed. If you haven't, please click to subscribe and join us. Keep refining your technical skills.